Welcome back to the Life of Amy June. If you're new here, I'm Amy, and on this channel I share productivity, marketing, and small business tips to help you stay organized and build your dream life without feeling overwhelmed. Today I'm showing you exactly how I set up my Google Calendar. This is my high-level planner that keeps my whole family and all my businesses running smoothly. So first, let's talk about what my Google Calendar actually is. It's not where I plan every tiny detail. That's what my paper planner and daily time blocking are for. This is my bird's eye view, my master schedule that's shared with my husband and my son. It's the calendar that shows everything important we have going on, so no one's surprised when something pops up. Now, if you've watched my other planning videos, you know I love color coding. It helps my brain stay visually organized at a glance. I use the exact same color categories across everything. My planner, my brain dump, and this Google Calendar, so it's always consistent. Here's my color coding system. Green is for family or my son's events, school activities, sports, appointments, anything family related. Yellow is for appointments, hair, doctor, dentist, things that are time specific and can't be moved. Pink is for Amy June lashes, for launches, photo shoots, and marketing tasks for that brand. Blue is for Luxe marketing, client calls, project deadlines, or filming content for clients. Purple is for this YouTube channel, filming days, editing time, upload days, and content ideas. This system helps me instantly see where my time is going just by color alone. Now, I don't dump my entire to-do list in here. That would make it pure chaos. I only add things that are time sensitive or important for others to know about. So, for example, appointments, events or meetings, birthdays, deadlines that affect others, anything that requires me to physically be somewhere at a certain time. My husband also adds in his events, even the ones I'm not attending, just so I'm aware. That's been a game changer because it keeps us aligned and avoids those, wait, you had a meeting tonight moments. It's also super helpful for our son's schedule. His school activities, sports, early dismissals, any type of performances, all live here too, so I can plan around them. Every Sunday when I do my weekly reset, I open up this Google Calendar first. It's my starting point before I even touch my paper planner. I look at what's coming up for the week, color by color, and then I start time blocking around it. If I see a green block for my son's school concert, I know not to overbook that day with client work. If I see a pink block for a lash photo shoot, I know to prepare content around that day. This calendar keeps everyone on the same page and helps me plan my days realistically. So that's how I set up my Google Calendar. It's so simple, color-coded, and shared. It gives me the instant clarity I need to balance family life and multiple businesses without missing a beat. If you found this helpful, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more productivity and business tips every single week. And if you love lashes or press-on nails, give my brand at Amy June Lashes a follow on Instagram. We just finalized all our Black Friday plans and there's so much fun stuff coming up. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I appreciate you so very much for being here, and I will see you in the next one very soon. Bye.